All right, so on today's video, we are going to go over how to create a campaign inside of Air. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Adam. I'm an Air.Ai Agency. Our company name is LeadWeb AI, and we're going to get into it. So anyway, this right here is an agent that we created in one of our previous videos, and we're going to go ahead and start getting into the nitty-gritty of it. So the steps to create a campaign: you need to create an agent first, you need to create a knowledge base first, you need to upload your contacts, create a list, then upload the contacts, and then now we can start working on the actual campaign portion of it. So when you get here, and by the way, as a little side note, you also need to add in your Twilio credentials, and you also need to add in your payment method in here as well. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. And if you're having trouble with how to do that, we can show you how to do that inside of another video. Just go ahead and search our videos and find how to install Twilio credentials and how to update payment method, and you should be good to go. But anyway, what we're going to do is click on Launch Campaign. We're going to read all this, right, really quick, and we're going to hit agree. Now we're going to name our campaign, I don't know, Test Do Not Use, right? We're going to do outbound. We're going to use the agent that we just created. We're going to use the list that we just created, and then we're going to put a daily budget. Now, here's the catch to this. Depending on how big your list is, generally what we've seen with decent data, opted in, they know who you are, this is real people, this isn't a list that you bought. Generally speaking, people that we've had on our agency, I'd say around $50 would get you about 2,500 calls. Now, it's not exact because everyone's script and everything like that is a lot different. Talk time is a lot different, but I would say about $50 is kind of the sweet spot when it comes to if you want to hit about 2,500 calls, and it will call them. It will call them in probably about 2 minutes. I mean, it's extremely quick, and so when you hit save and launch, it's going to start to call almost immediately. So just be aware of that, and it's really exciting because all you got to do is click on recordings and you'll see all the recordings come through. It's really interesting. I'm not going to do that on this one because all the numbers are fake, and this is a test campaign. But the only thing that you need to do after you put a daily budget is you hit save and launch, and the rest is easy. Now, I will say this. Now, this isn't a scripting video, but when you're creating your agent, something that we're testing out right now is different sales messaging philosophies. All right, and what I mean by that is if we go in and we do sales messaging books, and you're going to get a couple of them. You're going to get, let's see, fanatical prospecting is a good one. Never split the difference, also a really good one. The challenger sale, also really good. And the interesting thing is you can go to like Cliff Notes or wherever they've summarized a lot of the main talking points of the book, and then you could also pull out some specifics of that book as well, like specific frameworks and things of that nature, and you can upload those into chatgpt and provide some prompting to actually give you a really good script to use in the event that you don't know how to, or in the event you don't have a script to actually use. And so I hope this was helpful in creating a script with Air. We're going to go over some other stuff in our other videos when it comes to creating scripts and prompting and all that other stuff. And so if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in seeing a demo of exactly what we do, how we use Air, it should be in the description of the video. And all you need to do is click that, book a demo, and you'll be good to go. All right, talk to you soon. See you.